Alfie, ticker symbol ALF. It ran up about 105% earlier this morning, and still it's 5% up after market hours. Let's see what this company is about and whether or not we can see these growth moving forward. So this news came out where Alfie is engaging with a Miami-based fulfillment distribution center to roll out 10,000 Uber and Lyft digital tablets. Now this word is very important, Uber and Lyft. It is because of just these two words that the people started to pay attention to this. But let's understand what this company is about. They are talking about putting these tablets into ride-sharing vehicles. Now, what's so special about these tablets? These tablets are having a machine learning and computer vision application running behind it. There's a camera right here that will take information about the person's age, gender, and try to understand what kind of a demographic they're dealing with. And based on the person's demographic, if he's a male or a gender, or based on what time of day it is, they will show them the suitable ad. Now, if, for example, this is a kiosk which was developed by Alfie, where they're talking about how showing a person's age and gender, and at the time of the day, they're able to suggest the right advertisement for that person. And that's exactly what the company is trying to do. They are doing personalized ads. Now, one thing people would ask is the privacy concern with dealing this. And yes, this application or company will have privacy concerns as soon as people start noticing it. But that's the number one line the company is talking about. Their mission statement, they're talking about, yes, providing the right advertisement for the right viewer, but concerning the privacy. So they're taking privacy to an utmost importance. But again, now this is something very, very intelligent and very interesting to look into, because this application works on machine learning. And as long as you have trained the system, you have collected enough data and then trained the application and deployed it on this, you're done. Your job as a software engineer or as a company has been done. Now, the only thing is just take that software and replicate in these kiosks all across wherever you want to establish it. Now, they could share the cost of these kiosks with the company itself or with the driver itself who's going to be installing this, because the driver will be sharing the proceeds of this advertisement, which they will be getting through the companies who are advertising on this. At the same time, this company has established their software. People are going to be using, so it's more like a software as a service, where the software is built, done, finished. Now you just need to distribute and make money out of it. That's an amazing model to look into. Now, the second aspect is they've been doing this for quite some time. Now, this news came out on June 10th, where this company is talking about using demographics to revolutionize public advertising. Again, the privatization and personalization of advertisements. The second thing is Alfie commences operation of new Alfie Ads call center in South Florida. This news came out on June 9th, 2021. The stock did not jump as much as it did this morning. This news is about putting the kiosks at this Belfast International Airport. So they've been doing this pilot tests and proving their technology all across and trying to show this. This came out on June 7th. So the company understands how these news are important. And again, the Uber and Lyft, that is what helped gain attention of everyone on this stock. Now, this is about rolling out of an AI-enabled tablets in value cabs operating in Belfast. So they've already been doing this, testing this on different ride-sharing companies. This is another news about Neo. This is another media agency company acting on the advertisements and airport agencies. They used and they selected them for their pilot program. So this looks like an amazing model, and the market cap is only 86 million. So that's most interesting. So it at least gathers our attention to research this company a little bit more to understand what they're looking into. Looks like an amazing company to look into. We need to do some little bit more research and definitely something to look into. This is a bonus stock that I want to share with you this morning. Now, this is something amazing. Basically, the Coca-Cola dropped a few persons. Now, a company with about 240 billion market cap, even a small percentage is like losing billions in the market. Basically, what happened is Cristiano Ronaldo, he had a Coca-Cola in one of the press conferences. He had the Coca-Cola bottles in front of him, and he just moved to clear the view, and he said, instead of drinking Coca-Cola, drink water. That's the only thing he said. He did not mean to put Coca-Cola down. Coming from an athlete point of view, he's concerned about what goes into his body. And he just said, instead of drinking things like this, drink water. That's all he said. And market dropped the stock like, like anything. I found it funny. Just want to share this with you. With that, take care. Stay safe. Bye-bye.